Hello and welcome to another update video about Ripple XRP. XRP has also here in the last few days corrected quite a lot, but overall, where are we coming from? So XRP has since July moved up, but not to new all-time highs. In September, it basically completed its swing high and then also started to correct with an wave A that came down into the region, well, of around 86 cents. Then it moved up. This was wave B, and then we started to move down here. Back in November, we talked already about the current price levels. My target area here was on the chart, and we are finally already there, which means that theoretically that correction could be over. Yeah, I talked about that. The correction could be over because it has made a lower low. Yeah, it has come below that wave A from September. It has also reached the target area, and that target area is again between the 78.6 fib level and the 88.7 fib level, or between 38 cents and 57 cents. Yeah, 56, 57. This is the target area, and we already saw when XRP hit this area that it did react to it quite significantly. So it moved sideways first above this 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level, and then moved up quite strongly. This could have been a first impulse, even though I did tell you when it was doing that I am not a friend of this price structure down here. This looked very corrective still, did not seem like a first beginning of an impulse, and I think we are seeing now this play out, because when we started to move up here, there was one possibility of a breakout, and that this could become a 5-wave structure. We talked about that this needs to become a 5-wave structure in order to move out of this correction and complete the correction, because XRP would have had the chance here to make a wave 5 a higher high. Okay, now obviously it didn't do that. This was a potential. I told you for that scenario the price should not drop below 75, 74 cents. However, when it broke this level, you can see it here, this triangle, we had it on the chart, actually even a descending triangle, rather bearish pattern. It did break, and when it broke that support line, it moved down quite a lot. Then recovered a little bit, but made only a lower high, and now moved down again. That was yesterday quite significantly, all the way down to nearly 60 cents again. Has recovered since then, but again, all it's doing here at the moment is just another lower high. There is of course still a chance for the bulls to start from here, but the immediate structure, that breakout structure, it doesn't look too convincing anymore. With that strong move down, looking far too impulsive, that move down here, there is still a chance because it still hasn't made a lower low. So it would need to break below 55 cents in order to really invalidate this potential first uptrend structure, in order to invalidate that. Until then, we could still see a breakout from here, and we could still potentially see that the correction could be over, but only if the price is staying above 56 cents. Currently, in terms of what the structure is doing, my view is that we are not seeing here the completion of the correction yet, but that there is still a very, very high probability, and that would also be my primary expectation, that we are actually going to go deeper into this target area here in yellow. And the lowest support of that target area would be 38 cents. There is a risk that if XRP is losing this area, then we could see an XRP price of 17 cents, okay? Or 18 cents. So the message here is that the correction is not over yet. There is no confirmation that the correction is over yet. Absolutely not. We are still very much corrective. The price action is still looking corrective. The immediate breakout scenario to the upside here was basically invalidated. There is still a potential that the bulls could start from here where we are currently, but if they want to do that, we need really a higher high, we need a higher low, and the bulls really need to start and keep going. What is certainly the case is that this triangle that we saw here has not been retested for resistance yet, and I think XRP is on the way now to do so at 75 cents, to get there and retest it as resistance, and then we could see another sell-off, because XRP is moving up obviously, but is already here at the current price level of 71 cents. nearly overbought on the 1 hour chart. So if it moves up a little bit higher, it could really get overbought, and then you could see that risk that it's not going to break through the resistance, and then it's going to go down again. So a little bit more recovery is certainly possible. That would also be supported here by the 4 hour chart, where we had a bullish crossover on the MACD. The RSI currently trying to break above the 50 line into the bullish momentum area. Also on the 8 hour chart, you can see here that we are seeing upside momentum on the MACD, and on the daily chart, also the selling momentum is decreasing currently. The RSI also turning around to the upside. So, if the bulls really start here, the indicators would support potentially more upside. Not immediately, because on the 1 hour you're nearly overbought now. But generally, actually, the other shorter term indicators like the 4 hour, the 8 hour, the daily chart, they would actually support a little bit more upside. But what I don't like is the current chart structure. And to really get a confirmed breakout here, we need to break above the previous high here at 95 cents, to break above the 200-day moving average at 96, and certainly the $1.02 level. When we do that, then I will be much more confident in saying that the downtrend is over, and XRP could then get on the way to the $2 level. Yeah. At the moment, though, I don't think it's over yet. Can't come to that conclusion. It has made a lower low, and it is still looking very, very corrective. And even if it now makes a little bit of a recovery, there are a lot of resistance levels here along the way. And also, I think that Bitcoin has not finished its correction yet, and I do explain all of that in the Bitcoin video. Therefore, overall, my primary scenario remains that XRP is coming down once more. But what everybody needs to know, and I did say it very, very often, that in here, anywhere in this yellow target area, and XRP already touched the target area, we could complete the correction. I've been talking about this since November, and anywhere here, and everybody needs to decide for themselves how long they want to wait. Do they want to chase the lowest low, or do they want to get the foot in the door? But that's all up to you, because if we see the low here, that could go up very, very quickly, okay? So we've hit the target area at any point in time. The correction could be finished. It has done what it needs to do in the correction, but my primary scenario still remains that we're going to go lower. All right, hopefully you liked the update video about XRP. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And if you want to get more content and also join the Discord server and the Telegram live chat and also a weekly live stream, then check out the channel membership option. And for gold members, I now also offer additionally some analysis of stocks and shares. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.